Good day, my dear students. Today we talk about Al Kim bu emne. Who is she? Who is he? What is it? We present you our book, and from this book we will introduce with new words. There are 36 letters in Kyrgyz alphabet. We learned this alphabet our previous lesson. And we will repeat and practice the letter J, J. First, J. Journal, a register. Кружок, a course. Jury, a judge. Manager, manager. And second, the J. Jok, no. Jemiş, a fruit. Yaşılça, vegetable. Cuma, Friday. Jakşı, good. Jaman, bad. We have also short and long vowels. We will read and know about the similarities and differences between the short and long vowels. Sad, sad. Can, can. Şar, şar. Er. Tok, tok. Or, uk, uk. Kün, kü. Tök, tö. Mi, me. Nan, a bread. Nan, a bread. Çay, a tea. Çay. Muğalim, a teacher. Muğalim, a teacher. Su, a water. Su. Kalem, a pen. Kalem. Samsı, samosa. Samsı. Akça, money. Akça, money. Kız, a girl. Kız, a girl. Bala, a boy. Bala, a boy. Kitap, a book. Kitap, a book. We will repeat all words which we learned before. Çay, nan, kalem, muğalim, su, samsı, akça, kız, bala, kitap. I think you remember these words and you will repeat me. Tea, çay, bread, nan, pen, kalem, teacher, muğalim, water, su, samsı, money, akça, girl, kız, boy, bala, book, kitap. Okay, we will learn to make up questions in Kyrgyz language. Bu emne. What is it? Bu emne. What is it? Bu nan. This is a bread. We will repeat once more. Bu emne. What is it? Bu nan. This is a bread. Bu emne. What is it? Bu nan. Bu samsı. Bu akça. Bu çay. Bu su. Bu kitap. Bu kim? Bu muğalim. Bu kim? Bu kız. Bu bala. Bu muğalim. Bu Ece. Bu ağay. I think you will remember and you will do this exercise at home. It is your homework. This table you will also write at home. It will be your home task. Who is this? What is it? You will write several sentences. Okay. Bu kim? Bu Park Hyo. Bu Nazima. Bu Kate. Bu Hwangyeon. Bu Mark. Bu Nazima. Nariman. In translating to English, this exercise we will make up also in Kyrgyz language, translate and understand the meaning. Almaz, bu Kate. Almaz, this is a Kate. There are 5 sentences. You will practice and write on your notebook. Okay, pay attention to the next exercise. Al Yıldız, Yıldız muhalim. She is Yıldız. Yıldız is a teacher. Al Mark, Mark student. He is Mark. Mark is student. Yıldız muhalim. Yıldız is a teacher. Mark, bu Mark. Mark student. He is Mark. Mark is a student. Almaz, bu Almaz. Almaz businessman. Almaz is a businessman. Yıldız, bu Yıldız. Yıldız kız. She is Yıldız. Yıldız a girl. Mark, bala. Mark is boy. Al Yıldız. Yıldız manager. She is Yıldız. Yıldız is a manager. We will learn also next question. Kança. How much? How many? And repeat numbers. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. For example, how much it cost? Bul kança turat? How many students in your group? Sizin grupada kança student var? We can use how much and how many in Kyrgyz language kança. We will repeat these numbers and we will learn and remember. 8, 3, 7, 5, 10, 6, 1, 4, 2, 9. We will repeat once more these questions. How much it cost? Bul kança turat? How many students in your group? Sizin grupada kança student var? Thank you for your attention. Today we talk about al kim, who is he, who is she, bul emne, what is it? Thank you for your attention.